Hey everybody, it's Neil, and in my quest for fitness, I figured I could get myself a slant board to give me the ability to do some stretches on my legs. So what we've got here is this is it. So the way it works is, you can see it's got the opening here, and this, I'll show you guys on the counter before I go ahead and try it on my feet. It comes with little feet, so you could do that so it won't scratch your floor and be good. I will actually put those on because I have a tile floor. Hopefully it'll make it stay somewhat good. If you have a rubber floor or gym floor or something like that, you probably won't need it. Let's just go ahead and set this up here. I'll show you guys what we've got. Oh, there we go. Stick them here. Not sure why that was so difficult. Okay, one. Okay, I'm sure you can put two down there too, but this is the way it works here, so this is it. And you'll open it up, and then this is how steep you want it. That would be ridiculously steep, and you can go all the way down to Neil's starter steepness, which would be like about there, so I'll just clip it into there. So that's probably about how steep I would do it. So let's go ahead and give this thing a try. I'm gonna put this on the floor. I'll aim you guys down so you can see what I'm talking about here. So there it is, and I can go ahead and stand on it. Probably would stand with some shoes, but it gives me, it's nice and sturdy. I'm almost 190 pounds or so, so it does good. Sorry about my toes being polished. When you have kids, that's what happens. And you just stand on that, and it's stretching everything here. I can feel it. So you can get some good stretching and balance on this. I'll put it this way here so you can see what I'm talking about, like that. And I could try it higher. For me, probably not gonna do. I'm not gonna make it. Woo. I don't think, well, I can sort of balance on it. But boy, I feel that, oof. It's actually kind of good. But you get the idea, and then you can take it, if it's easy enough, fold it up and carry it, or store it, or whatever. Very cool. And it's good, thumbs up.